afternoon team. This is Manjunath here. I'm from Tata Advanced Systems. I'm looking after perimeter security, network security, and also cyber security. The day-to-day activities consists of the endpoint, what are vulnerabilities testing out, and also taking the actions against those vulnerabilities with the help of the ManageEngine tool.
Hi, myself Prahalad. I'm working in Tata Advanced Systems Limited, and I'm handling endpoint security, Active Directory, and backup.
Currently, we are spread across around 5 locations pan India, it's Mumbai, Delhi, Noida, Bangalore, and in Bangalore there are 2 locations. One is in Vemagal, nearby Kolar, and other one is in Bangalore Electronic City. All these users are spread across all these locations. Across location, assets are managed with the help of ManageEngine Desktop Central tool. All these patches, deployment, and considering the compliance report, producing to the management. We are taking the fetching out the reports from the ManageEngine dashboard. We have been using the ManageEngine products since 2000, way back in 2015 onwards. Earlier days, before getting the on-premise licenses for 2000 endpoints, we were using the freeware version to explore more on that endpoint solution. What we did, we have taken a bundle of licenses to begin with around 600 in the beginning stage, and thereafter we moved to 2000 licenses bundle. The best thing about the ManageEngine is very user friendly. Anybody put on a hands on that wizard, they can easily identify the wizards, and they can do the things easily. That is one of the best thing. And also secondly, as and when the support is required, there are partners are available like Softcell, and also Sassify Solutions. All these vendors are hands-on expertise having the team. So by just raising the ticket or by having the call with the team, they are coming online and rectifying the issues and developing the modules. See for example, there will be certain changes are required, like CCM required, or maybe some asset is not getting scanned, or some asset is not getting updated, and it is not meeting the compliance report. That way, what we are doing, we are just doing the best of our knowledge. See, as I told you, it is very user friendly. It is not that we have to write some coding or we have to do some configuration changes, something drag and drop or changing the wizard settings. We can easily manage the show.
And in Endpoint Central, we are using majorly threats and patch management. Majorly, we are using. Along with that, our team uses most remote tool we are using. And one best part is system manager. System manager gives more flexibility to operate from sitting in our IT department. So it's the best feature.
The major challenges we were facing with the assets, the assets using by the end users, wherein this we are finding who was used this asset couple of months back or couple of days back, and also with respect to the vulnerabilities, as in when the audits coming, ISO 27 audit or maybe any audits, compliance audit, that time we are finding the challenges that this asset is maintaining the assets and maintain the compliance. So what we used to do, we are taken up some 2-3 vendors ServiceNow or maybe the Rapid Scan, those tools and all. Then we found the best solution ManageEngine. What we did just installing and just it scan the assets in a rapid of in a second, in a span of around 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If you give one subnet, the whole subnet it gives with the IP address, with the host name and the last login details and all. With that, we are able to trace the assets, and that is one of the biggest challenge what organizations nowadays are facing. So I feel one of the best advantage of having the Desktop Central, the asset managing, and secondly we used to take the remote of the RDP of the systems, as and when the users are facing a problem, we used to take the RDP default RDP connection. So with the help of ManageEngine, even user can experience what the administrators are doing it, and also next time onwards they can do the things what are steps taken by the L1 engineer. They can do it, and they have done it, and also they are given a feedback about the tool.
While migration of Windows 7 to Windows 10, we were taking a long time. So for migration Windows 7 to 10, we have to bring a machine, we need to take a backup, and again reinstall OS. then restore a backup, configure everything. It used to take so much of time. It's supposed to take 10 hours. After taking ManageEngine Endpoint Central, we used to do it in within a span of 1 hour. So it saved a lot of time to us.
Like with this, like organization, like IT, basically the IT overall portfolio got improved, and we got a very good feedback from the end users as well. So like we are looking forward to other more features and more reliable solution from the ManageEngine side. See, typically, like as we are working for a defense organization, like there's a basic thumb rule. Any if you go to any defense organization, like there should be like the mobile devices should be like restricted inside the premises. So there was some so many solutions we are what to say, like we have gone through it, and we have done a POC with around 3-4 solutions. One of the best solution we found with the ManageEngine is that like they can customize, and their APKs can be called by our physical security system, and they can easily integrate with our systems and manage the show. Like we take an example of one of the device, like one person is entering the premises, we have integrated those devices with like entrance of the turnstile, and that trigger goes to ManageEngine MDM solution, and it throws the profile. It throws a trigger to the end user device directly without any interaction from the administrators or maybe from anyone else. So with this I can say like we are meeting the mobile device compliance part also. See, when it comes to matter of recommendation, definitely we are recommending these solutions to the organization where they are deploying. Like take an example, like with our example, there are many other department-wise, the shipyards or maybe like the manufacturing industries. Those guys are taken a reference from us, and we are given a reference like this is how the things are working, and this is how you can deploy in your environment. With that, actually I can say like definitely we are going to recommend to the organization wherever they are facing the challenges with respect to managing their assets, and managing the remote support and managing the mobile devices.